Hello, my name is Pascal Mainzer. I'm working for Franke Food Service Systems in Germany. Today I want to show you how to set up an Android device with your Google email account. To get started, you unlock your device and open the settings. Then you go down to the accounts, tap on Add Account and select the Google account. Now you select the existing account and enter your email address. Afterwards, you have to enter your current Google email account. Afterwards, press Done. You have to agree to the terms here and press OK. Now you have to enter the code for the two-step verification. Afterwards, press Continue. So now it's signing in, and you can select if you want to keep a backup on your Google account for this device. Now the account is set up, and you get a warning message up here in the screen, and there's a signing arrow for the account. There it says that you have to install the App Device Policy app. Please select Download. From the App Store, install the device which pops up, the app which pops up, and tap on Accept. As soon as it was installed, you can open up the app. Sometimes you have to update the Google Play service. It depends on the device or the Android version you have. As soon as the app was installed, you can open it. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer to open the app. So now the app was opened, and we still have some signing errors here. We have to solve all these errors which comes up. And here we see there still needs to be activated a Google Apps device policy. We have to go through all the steps to get rid of all the errors. And here we see which options has to be enabled to get Google working on this device. Tap on Activate. and then tap on enforce. Now we see which problems are still on this device. The device password must have at least 4 characters and device password must contain letters or numbers. Then we have to tap on the option here to set the PIN, and we set a PIN. Now the device is confirmed for all policies, and we should have no errors here anymore. Perhaps it needs to be synchronized. That's fine here. And now the status is fine here. So we have no active errors here anymore. It's for Hangout. Should work now here too. Seems to be fine. And now we have to install from VMware Airwatch. You have to open up the Play Store, press the search bar and enter Airwatch. There are 2 apps which are suggested. You have the Airwatch agent or the Airwatch Samsung device. If it's a Samsung device, just open up the Airwatch Samsung device app and install this. Accept. And now it's downloading and installing the device software. You can open up it now and activate it. Then we go back, enter again Airwatch and install the Airwatch agent. Accept again. And this takes a little bit longer because it's a quite huge application. And as soon as it is downloaded, you can open up the application. Now you have the option to select between the different authentication modes. I just use simply email address, and now I enter my Frankie email address. And here I get already the suggestion for my email address. Click on continue. And continue again. And now I get a login page for Airwatch. There I have to enter my Frankie Windows credentials. As soon as I have entered the Windows credentials, I select Go and Submit. And now the rollout of the Airwatch agent will be done. I have to select if the device is an employee-owned or a corporate-owned device. For now I choose the employee-owned. Then I have the terms of use, which I can read through, and accept to agree to this terms of use. it will take a moment to go through. And now the Airwatch agent do some checks on the device if it's compliant with the policies which are defined by Frank. I have to select activate, and now it's doing a check. So now the device is enrolled, and we have now the option to click on App Catalog and to install apps which are provided by Franke. So now I get a notice that some of the policies are not conform with the Franke settings, and the encryption of the device is missing. I can select now encrypt device and confirm. And I will be brought to the settings in Android to encrypt the device. And I select encrypt device, and then now I enter the PIN I have defined before. I choose now the fast encryption and select encrypt device. This process of encryption will take up to an hour, so I will come back as soon as it's done. So now the device rebooted a couple of times and the encryption is done. Now I can enter the security code, and afterwards Android will start up. So now, after the startup, I have to enter the PIN which was defined before. And now the enrollment of the device is finished, and we can check in the Airwatch agent if everything is fine. So everything seems to be fine here. We can click on sync and it will check if there's something to need be updated. Or we have here the app catalog, and we can select to open it with Chrome. As soon as the page is loaded, we have our overview over all apps that are provided by Franke, and we have the possibility to install them. So I hope that this guide helped you through to activate the device with Google Email and to install the Airwatch agent on an Android device. Thank you for your time and have a great day.